Hey everyone, it's Stiles. This is a nice yoga routine you can do on your couch or wherever you are. So no excuses. If you're on the couch, don't worry, you can hang out, you're good. All right, so sit here on your couch, however you can be easy in your body. You can even lean back and just relax there if that's more comfortable, or you can come up forward. Just breathe. And lean all the way over toward your right side. You can have a hand on the side of the couch or on over, whatever is better for you. You can stretch this top arm all the way up and over. Easy stretch. Roll around a bit here. Keep breathing. Breathing's important. And same thing other side here. Lean it over. Easy side stretch. Rolling around here. If you find a place that's a little tense or stuck, just hang out there for a bit. Breathe. And coming back up, crawl forward a little bit here. If your hands are on the floor or just out in front of you, that's good too. Just drop your head and neck. Should feel nice in your back. And crawling all the way up here, walk your hands back behind you. Big inhale to stretch up. And easy all the way back down. Close your eyes. Just breathe. Again, if you're really needing to lean back, it's fine too. All right, when you're ready, open your eyes. We'll come all the way down just for a full relaxation. All right, hug your knees into your chest for a squeeze, little rock side to side here. You can keep your right leg in toward your chest, let your left leg drift down, just relax. You can let the knee drift out to the side. You can even catch the foot, stretch out there. Just breathe. And either stay here if you want to take a gentle twist, let the knee drift over toward your other side. You can gaze over to your fingers or just upward. Just breathe. Let your body just melt into the couch. Not hard at all, right? All right, come back to the middle. Hug the shin back in for a squeeze. And just switch the legs here, hugging this left shin in. Nice squeeze. Little roll around here in the hips a bit. Again, you can stay there or catch the foot, stretch the leg out. Just go easy on your body, easy on your joints. Let everything else just relax. No need to hold tension anywhere. And taking this one in toward a twist. Oh, nice twist there. You can gaze up or over toward those opposite fingertips. Just breathe. And coming back to the middle here, hugging both shins in for a nice squeeze. Little rock side to side. If you want to stretch out both legs, catching under the feet. Little happy baby on the couch. Maybe stretch one leg out for a few breaths and the other leg as well. And we'll come over to the side here. Take a breather. Just relax. It's been a long day, week, month, life. Hopefully a long life. All right, come all the way back up to the middle here. And easy stretch. Cross one ankle over the other leg here. Let your knee just drift out to the side. Should feel like a nice opener on your hips. Just breathe and relax. You can even walk forward a little bit more if that feels even better. A little sway side to side. Should feel nice on your back. Maybe even drop your head and neck. It's a big stretch there, so go easy. And coming all the way back up. Just cross this foot over, place it on the ground there on your cushion. Big inhale, stretch your opposite arm up. And easy cross your arm over the leg. Big inhale to stretch up tall. And easy twist around. I come back to the middle, just trade the legs here. So first, just crossing your ankle over the thigh. Let your knee just relax out toward the side. Again, if this is a whole lot of a hip release going on, feel free just to hang here. Breathe, breathing's good. Or if it's nicer to walk forward a little bit more, go for that. But just go slow. It's a really big stretch, possibly, depending on what's going on with you. Coming all the way back up. And bring your foot right outside here. Place that foot on the cushion. You can even rock over to the side a bit. And big inhale, stretch that opposite arm up. Easy, cross your arm over this leg. Fingertips behind you, can be on the back of the couch. Big inhale to stretch up tall. And easy twist around just a bit more. And come all the way back toward your middle here. Let both legs just relax down. Relax and breathe. You can come back up here for a few moments just to relax and breathe. Palms can be up, down, on the couch. Doesn't matter as long as you're comfortable is a great start. Take a big inhale through your nose. Easy exhale. When you're ready, gently open your arms. And I hope you feel good. Now you're ready to relax, kick back. You can enjoy a nice copy of Guiding Strala. That's a lovely book on leadership and leading nice, easygoing yoga classes. Or if you happen to have a copy around of the first Strala yoga book as well, that's a nice one to flip through, see some new routines, and just relax. So I'm going to just hang out here and read for a while. So I hope you have an enjoyable rest of your day, and make sure you do a little couch yoga so you can use your downtime to your fullest potential. And I'll see you soon.